Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use your 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. If you are new or just got a promo code, here's how to apply it to maximize your trading experience. Let's jump right in. First of all, log into your Bybit account on the app or website. Make sure you are on your main dashboard to access the rewards section. Next, go to the Rewards Hub. You can find it under My Rewards or in the Promotion section. This is where Bybit stores all active coupons and bonuses on your account. Now, find your 20 USDT coupon in the list and click on it to activate. Once it's activated, you can apply it to trades. Note that coupons typically reduce trading fees, so the 20 USDT won't appear as cash, but it will discount your next trading costs. Lastly, check the coupon's terms. Some coupons have specific conditions like minimum trade requirements or expiry dates, so make sure you use it before it expires. And that's it. With these steps, you are all set to use your 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.